Hello, welcome to another Scratch video. By the way, overnight outside is some construction going on in our house. But anyway, so this Scratch is called a game, this project. So you see Scratchy cats here. We may want to, I don't know what to do with this project, but should we make the background so Scratch knows exactly what to do? I think we should. So this is the floor. And we're going to remove the outline from it. When the first wall is here, we'll make it a different colour, as I always do. The next wall is here, but we're not going to put it to the top. And the final one are these little platforms here. Are going to be generated not in there. So you see, it's a bit silly being that tall, so I'm going to put that there. So yeah. Right. So I think it's a good height. Right. The final one is how is the exit, which is going to be green. And we've got a purple line of the colour of the floor. The thickness of, I don't know, 5. And what this is for is so Scratch can identify the colour. Now we have a purple. There you go. What that does is it tells Scratch Cat that the floor is there, you can't go any further down. Now what this green bit is, it's the freedom door. So if Scratch touches this, he'll go to the next stage and it will count as a completed level. So the very first bit of code is this flag bit, which when this flag here is clicked, will tell whatever is down here to start working. Now, I think we should make the thing that stops them from touching. And this loop thing here runs forever until you press this button, which stops the project. The if then is a block, additional block where if such and such is true, it will do whatever is in here. We're going to want to get 4 of them. So I'm so sorry about the construction. And yeah, so basically, if these are all, if that's true, it'll do whatever's in there, and same for all these. Touching colour means if Scratch Cat is touching the colour yellow, which is this one. If you wonder what I did there, that means you can select any colour on the stage, which is what this bit here is. So, we're going to make a few others. Second one is this one, and I'll tell you why in a minute why I flip these round. This will always run first, then this, and then that, and then that. Now it can't be green, it needs to be that colour. I might as well, to make it look less evil, change the colour of the red wall to blue. There you go. That looks way less evil. Instead of this red, this lovely red, I'm going to put this colour. Now, I made a little mistake, so I'm going to move all these out. You'll find out why I did that. Take all those in the bin. Get an if then else block. So if it's not touching the colour, it will be down. Oh, another block, sorry about this, is a one minute screen refresh block. Pick a block, it says no collisions. We call it no collisions, which means when you pick the flag, it does whatever's in here. Now the reason we did that is so we can run it without screen refresh. So whatever's in there runs before the screen has a chance to flick to the next option. If it is touching colour, there, change Y by 8. Oh dear, I've got to quickly get my charger. I will be a second. So anyway, while we're going to the charger, I'm gonna go in this room. We should go in this room here where our charger is. Now we're gonna basically plug in our laptop. All done. Hey, so you see these, we'll wreck on. If touching colour purple, then. So if it's touching that colour, change Y by 10, which is, I think, 10 pixels. Now, oh dear, it's a bit like a bulldozer. She's constantly going up and down. So if you wanted a really good quality platformer engine, you would never let that be. But and it's so oh dear me. He got slow falling or something. Now, that didn't work. So, if touching colour, right. So I got a way better idea. So if not touching, until touching colour. So if it's not touching it, it will continually go down by 6 pixels, by about 5 pixels. So that was outside as mine. That one's friend is talking to my mum. So anyway, change Y by -10. What's that engine like? I mean it works, but makes it lag. What very bad lag. So instead, try that mode. He falls like a rocket, so 0.251, very small amount. I can put it still there. Or we can just scrap that. That's much better for a platformer engine. So, right. Now we need to stop him by putting an opposite force in. So, if touching colour blue, which you know is always on that side, here, we'll push him this way. To do that, we're going to use a block. I need to check. Actually, I can't check that. I need to use a block which does the opposite, basically. So if we go in the code and change the x by a minus, it takes you back by 10. So if you touch here, we need to do the exact opposite for yellow. So we duplicate this block, delete that, add yellow, and change it by 10. If you're touching, oh yeah, and we need to put repeat until not touching. Now the final if then belongs to there. Broadcast. Not message 1. I'm wasting some kind of code that does that and uses level 1. Finish the level. Right. Now what basically I haven't explained the code. So basically, if it's not, what the code does is if it's not touching the floor, it will move him down, the cat down, until he's touching the floor. If touching colour blue means if he's touching this wall, it won't let him go any further. Now, the yellow one, if he's touching that yellow wall, he will not, he won't at all, he can't go in that wall, it will move back. What this one does is if you touch the green, is the end of the level, and you get teleported. So, controls are incredibly easy to make. So the controls we're going to have our arrow keys. Arrow keys. So up, down, space as well for up, down goes bottom, left goes to the left, and finally right goes to right. So up arrow key pressed means it will go up. Right. Anyway, so I'm going to, when the up arrow is pressed, it will move the character up by a set amount. So to do this is to change y by jump height. Anyway, change y by a variable called jump height. Bit of lag. I think I should. There you go. Call it jump height. Okay, if you like that Minecraft video, which will be which won't be linked, but yeah, you know, my Minecraft video or the SNES video, leave a comment. I always set comments on to all my videos, so yeah. It's just how I do it basically. But if you email me and tell me how you think you do it. So set jump height to, let's go and experiment with 100. And we're going, by the way, we're going to change this to a slider. That basically means you can change the player's jump height. Now, left arrow will change the Y, which is the wrong one, by minus 10. We're going to remove the down arrow key. You don't need that one. Space, move the character down. Change X by ten. And a minus goes there, right? Oh no! We're gonna have to set it so if he is touching the ground, you can jump. If touching, color purple. Then it will jump. Now why can't we do that? Change the range our size, let's get up to 300. Nothing should have changed. Sorry. The platforms now. You have to be kind of weird. So copy all this random gibberish. I'm gonna paste it into this new sprite we're making, so we can move them around. There's a reason why this sprite exists. So this sprite is going to have a top, purple top, one of them, and one of them. Now what this does, I know Ukraine flag suck. Anyway, right, so it's going to have a top of that. And then we can convert it to bitmap, which means we can basically edit stuff like this. But we made it too big, right? We'll make it about that size. . that is a platform, which should work basically. Oh dear me. That's better. I think we need to make it the top slightly longer. So, shrink the platform down a little bit. I think we've got a good platformer. You can go like onto platform. Can't see many bugs here, can you? Now, I'd love to see you remix this thing. So, bye bye.